First commandment says, thou shalt have no other gods before me. I don't see why you would want to. Our God is an awesome God. He's full of love, full of righteousness, full of glory. He is awesome. Let's show him how awesome he is.